So cost of goods sold are usually tied in with your sales. So it could be your material costs. If, as we know, in 2022, 2023 even, the cost of everything, of all material pretty much has gone up. So you also have to consider that in your sales when you're pricing your products. Then you got to look at your payroll when you should be bringing somebody else in. If you're going to be growing by about 10, 20%, you need to know like how many people you're going to need to have this year or in the next few months, what that's going to look like, what that's going to cost, and then what other costs you have for the firm. For a service type business, the next big cost that we have is usually going to be software. So then if you need software, you got to look at what kind of softwares you need to bring in for the other people, or what other softwares you need to bring in as the firm is growing. At the end, you're going to look at your net income or your net loss. If you're in a net loss position, you need to see what you can do to improve on that. So first, a few things. You can look at your sales if you need to be increasing your fees, or if you need to be looking at cutting some of your expenses.